Disclaimer: this video is created for educational purpose. Before taking any investment, please consult with your financial advisor.
I'm educating technicals through my membership. So if you are interested to join my membership, please click this join button. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about few indexes technically. So when Nifty reaching 22,000, so before that we were expecting a bounce back from this level. It was exactly happened, and also with it on last week Monday video I have discussed about that Nifty is nearly rallied a huge amount of points. It was a continuous rally, so I was expecting some kind of a sideways movement, or else we can expect some kind of a fall. So in the last week we were seeing some kind of a sideways movement. That means 2 days it was a red candle, after that it was a green candle, then again it was a red candle. That means it is actually consolidating in the same place for the past 1 week. It may happen in the upcoming week also. Either it can create some kind of a fall, or else it can consolidate. But for the breakout, Nifty needs to break 23,870. Otherwise we are not going to see some kind of a huge uptrend up to the level of the previous peak of this particular level, that is 24,200, then 24,800. So if Nifty breaks 23,860 or 870, then only we can expect this kind of up move up to these levels. Otherwise it can give some kind of a consolidation again for the next 1 week. The next one is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, which is also started trading in the sideways, nearly many indexes. It's actually respecting my previous technical view perfectly. So we were expecting a huge uptrend when it was trading exactly at this bottom. So we were expecting a double bottom. So it is exactly happened, and also in the large double bottom neck point is also a break on. So the neck point of this large double bottom is 50,500. So right now it should be acting as the important support, and also with that I'm expecting a selling pressure once Bank Nifty reaches this particular trend line, or else if it is reaching this level, we can expect some kind of a fall in Bank Nifty. Otherwise it can give some kind of a sideways movement, or else it can retest this level also, that is 50,500. If it is retesting that level, we can expect some kind of a support. But we have already discussed about one important chart, that is Heikin-Ashi chart. So if you are fixing in weekly chart, and also if you are changing from the chart type to candles to Heikin-Ashi, we can able to see that it is actually creating a reversal candle. So nearly from this peak, Nifty is nearly fallen continuously. So these candles are in green color, but this 3 candles will be called as a doji candle, because these 3 candles are having a wick at the bottom. It was actually some kind of a smaller wick, but on this particular last week candle, it is actually a clear bullish sign. That means even though if Nifty is falling in the intraday, or else if it is falling 200, 300 points, or maybe 400 points, we can expect some kind of a support, and also again Nifty can move higher. That is what this particular last candle is indicating. This candle is created after some kind of a very big drastical fall. So because of that, it can create some other green candles like this. So that means I'm expecting some kind of uptrend if Nifty is falling 300 or 400 points also. So right now we can change into candles type, and we are going to see the other indexes like Nifty Next 50 and Nifty 500. So the next one is Nifty Next 50. So in Nifty Next 50, there was a trendline breakout. So after that, it was a continuous uptrend. Here also we were expecting the same kind of sideways. It will actually nearly happen. And right now we need a breakout above 64,500. If it is breaking that, we can expect the up move up to the level of 66 or 67,000, 66,900 or 67,000. That level can be acted as an important resistance. After that, we can expect the major resistance exactly at 69,200 to 69,300. The next one is Nifty 500. Here also there was a drastic rally. So right now here the resistance point, the important resistance point is exactly available at 21,850 itself. It is already reached a peak of 21,675. So from here we can expect some kind of 150 to 175 points up move. That will be important resistance level. If that level is broken, we can expect the up move up to the level of 22,350 or 300. Then if it breaks that level, we can expect the up move up to this particular peak. Okay, the next one is Sensex. So Sensex is also moving in the sideways based upon the Nifty view. So here the exact resistance place, the previous peak is exactly reached over here. The peak was 78,741. We can fix it as 78,750 or 78,000. 800. If that level is broken, we can expect the up move up to this particular peak. Then we can expect the up move up to this particular peak. This particular peak, and also here also we are having some kind of a important Fibonacci level. So if we are connecting this peak with the second one, the bottom, we can able to see important Fibonacci level exactly at 80,000 and also exactly at 82,200. The same Fibonacci level is available in the Nifty also. So that level can be acted as an important resistance in the upcoming days. The next one is Nifty Midcap. So here Nifty Midcap, we were expecting a retesting up to this particular trend line. It is exactly retested. Then after that we were seeing some kind of a pullback. So when we are discussing last week video, the Midcap was giving some kind of a breakout. That means this support trend line is broken again in the upside. So because of that we were expecting up move. Then we were expecting a retesting. So it is exactly happened. Right now the level, the red candle high, that is 11,780. That level should be broken for the further up move. The next level will be, the next important resistance level will be at 12,000 to 12,200. If that level is broken, you can expect the up move up to this particular peak. So that means from here Midcap index can move 1,000 points, or else if it is falling, 11,275 or 250 will be acting as the important support. If this level is broken, we are having the another important support which is very near to this particular bottom. So even though if it is breaking this bottom, we can expect the support at 10,400. The next one is Nifty small cap. Here there was a horizontal resistance level. That level was broken when we are discussing the last week video, and we were expecting a retesting. It is also exactly retested. Then right now it started trying to move higher. So here the important horizontal resistance point, which is 15,550. If that level is broken, we can expect the up move up to this peak. Then that particular peak is broken, means we can expect a huge up move up to this particular trend line. So if it is reaching this trend line, then it will be a up move of 2,000 points. So we can expect the up move. Before that, this trend line can be acted as the important resistance trend line, and if that level is broken only, we can expect the up move up to this particular trend line. The next one is Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is right now trading, and also with that it is started falling from the important resistance place. We are discussing about multiple resistance. So the first resistance was 42,500. The next one was 43,000 to 43,200. Then the major resistance is exactly at 43,900. So right now it is actually taken resistance at 42,700, and also with it is started falling, and it is exactly trading at the previous important support. So the neck point of this particular red candle, the low of the red candle is 40,660. We can fix it as 40,650. If that level is broken, we can expect a huge fall in Dow Jones up to this particular trend line. We were discussing about this trend line for past few weeks, and we are discussing about this trend line when it was trading at the peak also. So right now there was a major fall, and if this red candle low is broken, we can expect another one more trigger up to this particular trend line. The next one is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is also falling nearly for the past 2 days, and our market is holiday on Monday. So because of that, we can expect some kind of a downside move in our indexes. And right now we were discussing about the important swing low. That swing low is broken, and the major important support we have discussed 18,430 or 450. We were discussing about this particular support when it was trading at the exact all-time high. Right now there was a major fall. So because of that, I think our market is also can fall on Tuesday. So that means 18,450 can be acted as the important support. Then if that low is broken, then another one more minor support which is available at 17,850 to 17,500. Then the major important support which is available at 17,000. If it reaches 17,000, I have already discussed about the support. It is actually a major support when it was trading at this peak itself. We have discussed about 17,000. So right now we are seeing some kind of a huge fall in American index. The next one is S&P 500. So S&P 500 is also trading exactly at the important low, and here the major support, we are having a 3 level of supports. The first one is 5,400, the next one is 5,200, the next one is 5,000 to 4,950. Here the major important support which is available at 5,000 to 4,950. I think this support is also can be reached. We are discussing about these supports when it was trading at the all-time high. So at that time nearly most of the American indexes are trading at good level, and also there is no negative news in American stock market. But right now it is actually started falling because of the important person. The next one is gold. So gold is actually moving higher, and the previous peak is broken, and also with that right now the next level of target can be fixed at 92,850. It is actually I'm discussing about these levels technically. So if you are investing in this particular stocks based upon my view, please consult with your financial advisor. The next one is gold in dollars. So gold in dollars, we are discussing about the important level, that is $3,000. That level is not yet broken. Actually, that level is retested after that it has started moving higher. So when it was moving higher in my Tamil channel, I have discussed about two levels. The first level was $3,100 that was reached, and the next level is $3,170. It is actually some kind of a non-stop rally. If you are investing in gold in bulk in the current level, I think it is not suggestible, because it was actually some kind of a continuous rally. So if it is falling, that means if it is falling at least 10% or 20% in the upcoming days, then that will be the perfect level to focus gold. So my perfect level is $2,725. I don't think it can fall up to this particular level, but if it reaches this level, it will be a very good opportunity. The next one is silver. So silver right now it is trading at 1 lakh rupees, and it is actually creating some kind of a double top, because 1 lakh 2,000 is actually having a resistance right now. The important level, the support level is 96,450. If that level is broken with a weekly closing below that level, we can expect some kind of a fall in silver up to the level of 87,200. Otherwise, if it is breaking 1 lakh 2,000 rupees, we can expect the up move up to 1 lakh 12,000 rupees. So that's all about this today's video. Thank you for watching.